Welcome everyone. As you all know, in the last video, we had discussed about resources. What are resources? We discussed the different classification of resources, and we also discussed the first classification on the basis of origin. What are biotic and abiotic resources? In today's class, we are going to discuss about classification of resources on the basis of exhaustibility. How are resources classified on the basis of exhaustibility? Resources can be broadly categorized into renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Now, what are renewable resources? Let us see. Renewable resources which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical processes. Okay. Now, as we all know, some of these resources are unlimited and are not affected by human activities such as solar and wind energy. Yet, careless use of certain renewable resources like water, forest and wildlife can affect their stock. Now, we know that water is an unlimited renewable resource, but shortage and drying up of natural water sources can be a major problem in many parts of the world today. So that's why we have to be very careful. On the other hand, non-renewable resources are those which can be renewed but takes thousands of years to form. Now, the stock is limited, whereas here resources, the stock is unlimited, but we have to be very careful. Now, coming to non-renewable resources, the stock is limited. So once the stocks are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed or reproduced. Now, it will take many years and the future generation will not be able to use these resources. As we all know, this period is much more than human lifespans. So, such resources are considered as non-renewable resources. For example, minerals and fossil fuels. Now, which are the fossil fuels? Coal, petroleum and natural gas are examples of renewable resources. So, is it clear, students? Resources are classified on the basis of exhaustibility into two categories: renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are those which get renewed or replenished quickly, whereas non-renewable resources are those which take thousands of years to be renewed or replenished. So that's all for today. In the next class, we will see classification of resources on the basis of ownership.